Okay, so this is the tray setup for Monday. We are going to be measuring the length of different objects. Okay, so I have these blocks here. These are small blocks which I'm going to connect when I measure objects. For instance, if I want to measure this here, I am going to, that's a bean bag. I will put these together and measure my bean bag, right? So I will have different sized objects here so that they can see the difference between the lengths. Okay, so for this, if you do not have these snap-ons, which I think maybe most of you may not, or if you have it, great. If not, you can use Legos if you have Legos of any size, or even Duplo blocks. But if you're using Duplo, since Duplo blocks are big in size, you may have to have objects. The maybe Duplo block is this big, so objects that are slightly big. I think this will be the size of the Duplo block. So just gauge that. They need to have, see, the whole idea is for them to see the difference in lengths. Okay, so I have objects of different lengths over here. They can even measure their toys for that matter. Okay, I have enough because they are going to be comparing. So at a time, they will have everything out and they will be measuring everything. So make sure they have enough blocks to go around, not just, 6 just for one object. Okay, so they need to have enough blocks for all the objects that you're setting out. You can just have about 4 objects, that's fine, or 3, but minimum 3, so that they can see the difference. Okay, and if you have any questions, please let me know. I thought I should have this so that it'll help in setting up the tray, and you'll have one day to set the tray. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know.